officially your yacht. Woo! Congrats, man. The only catch is I'm gonna do everything in my power to destroy it. And it's up to you to protect it from attacks like 100 cannonballs, massive explosives, and so much more.
You gotta be kidding me.
And you have exactly 24 hours to build defenses for your brand new yacht.
Time has started. Good luck. All right, dude.
Let's see if this yacht sinks! Sean, using my credit card, immediately bought a bunch of supplies and began building his defense against Phase 1, 100 cannon shots. Run me through your plan.
My plan is to build a giant wall, angled to hopefully block the cannon fire.
And after working all throughout the night, into the next morning, and all the way through a complete 24 hours, Sean was going to have to call it. Because the time is up, let's go shoot some cannons.